Common or English name, botanical name, fruit type, edible part. Fig, Ficus carica, Cyconus, fleshy receptacle and thalamus. Jackfruit, Artocarpus heterophyllus, Sorosis, fleshy axis, bracts, perianth and seed. Seed. Seed represents modified, mature, fertilized ovule made up of seed coat and an embryo that is miniature plant. Also contains adequate reserve food materials during seed formation after fertilization. Ovule converted into seed, outer integument converted into testa, inner integument converted into tegumen, testa and tegumen together called seed coat, nucellus converted into perisperm, primary endospermic cell and primary endospermic nucleus converted into multicellular endosperm, zygote converted into embryo, embryo produces radicle and plumule that results in formation of new plantlet. Seed has three parts: seed coat, outer protective covering of seed, formed from integuments of ovule. Generally, seed is bitegmic, that is, has two layers. Outer layer testa, brown color, inner layer tegumen, yellow color. Embryo, also called miniature plant, forms new plantlet during seed germination. Nutritive tissue, also called endosperm, provides nutrition to developing embryo. Seed, monocot seed, embryo is attached with single cotyledon. Dicot seed, embryo is attached with two cotyledons. Cotyledon, also called seed leaf, it stores reserve food material. Embryo consists of two parts, embryonic axis and cotyledons. Hilum is a scar on seed coat through which the developing seeds were attached to the fruit. Seed also has a pore above the hilum called micropyle. Aluron layer, multicellular single layer protein rich nutritive part forming outer covering of endosperm that separates the embryo from endosperm found in monocot seed. For example, maize, that is Gia maize. Large shield-shaped single developed cotyledon of monocot seed called scutellum. In monocot seed, plumule and radicle are covered by seeds called coleoptile and coleorhiza respectively. Coleoptile and coleorhiza are absent in dicot seed. Endospermic seed, also called albuminous seed, mostly found in monocots, also found in few dicots. Here, endosperm is not completely consumed by embryo for formation of new plantlet. Mature seed possess endosperm even after formation of new plantlet. For example, maize, rice, wheat, castor, a dicot. Non-endospermic seed, also called exalbuminous seed, mostly found in dicots, also found in few monocots. Here, endosperm is completely consumed by embryo for formation of new plantlet. Mature seed does not possess endosperm. For example, pea, bean, gram. Orchids and Sagittaria are monocots. Perispermic seed. Generally, nucellus of ovule is consumed by endosperm and developing embryo very early. But if in case nucellus is not completely consumed and Mature seed possess nucellus, that is perisperm. Such seed called perispermic seed. For example, beetroot, that is Beta vulgaris, black pepper, that is Piper nigrum, and Nymphia. Mother axis, the shoot on which flower is born, called mother axis. Floral formula, symbolic representation of floral symmetry, presence or absence, number, cohesion or adhesion of various parts of flower. Floral formula tells us about breadth, nature and symmetry, sexuality, number and union of sepals, petals, stamens and carpels, adhesion of stamens, position of ovary or gynosium with reference to other parts, etc. Floral diagram, a diagrammatic representation of theoretical transverse section and ground plan of a floral bud in relation to mother axis, which lies at posterior side. It is highly illustrative and describes most of the features of flower like symmetry, sexuality, number of the floral parts of each type, cohesion and adhesion, estivation, relation between different parts, nature of anther, placentation, presence of nectaries, disc below ovary, etc. Symbols used in floral formula. BR bracteate, EBR ebracteate, BRL bracteolate, EBRL ebracteolate, actinomorphic, zygomorphic, bisexual, unisexual male, unisexual female, K calyx, K without N without bracket polycephalus, K N within bracket gamosepalous, EPI epicalyx below sepal, C corolla, C N without bracket polypetalous, C N within bracket gamopetalous. Symbols used in floral formula. P perianth, Pn without bracket polytepalous or polyphylous, Pn within bracket gamotepalous or gamophilous, A androecium, epipetalous stamen, epitepalous stamen, G gynosium, Gn without bracket apocarpus, Gn within bracket syncarpus, Gn below line superior ovary, Gn above line inferior ovary, where N represents number of parts. In floral diagram, the dot represents position of mother axis, posterior side of flower. Family Brassicaceae, that is crucifery. Corymb inflorescence, tetramerous flower. Cruciform corolla, tetrodynamous stamens. Bicarpellary, syncarpus, superior ovary, unilocular but becomes bilocular due to false septum called repulum. Bifid stigma, parietal placentation, non-endospermic seed, silicua or silicula fruit. Floral formula, ebracteate, actinomorphic or zygomorphic, bisexual, K2 plus 2, C cross 4, A2 plus 4, G2 syncarpus superior ovary. For example, mustard, that is Brassica campestris, Capsella, Iberis, etc. Family Fabaceae, that is Papilionaceae. Vegetative characters, trees, herbs, shrubs and climbers. Tap root system, branched root, root nodules present. Erect or climber stem. Leaves with alternate phyllotaxy, generally pinnately compound. Stipulate pulvinous leaf base, reticulate venation, leaves or leaflets modified into tendrils. Family Fabaceae, that is Papilionaceae. floral characters, racemose inflorescence, bracteate, bisexual, hypogynous, zygomorphic flower, calyx, 5 sepals, gamosepalous, valvate mainly or imbricate estivation, corolla, 5 petals, polypetalous, papilionaceous corolla with vexillary estivation, androecium, 10 stamens, diadelphous, dithecous anther, gynosium, monocarpellary, unilocular, superior ovary, many ovules in 2 alternate rows, fruit, legume or pod, seed, non-endospermic, 1 to many seeds. Family Fabaceae, that is Papilionaceae. Floral formula, bracteate, zygomorphic, bisexual, K5 fused, C1 plus 2 plus 2 fused, A9 plus 1 diadelphous, G1 superior ovary. Economic importance, pulses, gram, arhar, same, moong, soybean, pea, urad, French bean, that is rajma. Fodder, trifolium, that is berseem, sesbania. Edible oil, soybean, groundnut. Dyes, indigofera. Fibers, sun hemp. Ornamentals, lupin, sweet pea. Medicines, mulethi. Timber, sesame. Family Solanaceae, vegetative characters, habit, herbs, shrubs, small trees, root, taproots, stem, herbaceous, rarely woody, aerial, cylindrical, solid, erect, branched, hollow, hairy, or glabrous, that is smooth. Potato has underground stem. Leaf, simple leaves, rarely pinnately compound, alternate phyllotaxy, exstipulate, hairy leaves, reticulate venation. Family Solanaceae. Floral characters, inflorescence, solitary, axillary or cymose. Flower, bisexual, actinomorphic, bracteate or abracteate, hypogynous, pentamerous. Calyx, 5 sepals, gamosepalous, persistent calyx, valvate estivation. Corolla, 5 petals, gamopetalous, valvate estivation. Androecium, 5 stamens, epipetalous, bithecous anther, polyandrous, intros. Gynosium, bicarpellary, syncarpous, superior ovary, oblique septa, bilocular, swollen placenta, many ovules, exile placentation. Family Solanaceae. Fruit, many seeded, berry or capsule. Seed, many, endospermic. Floral formula, bracteate or abracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, K5 fused, C5 fused, A5 epipetalous, G2 syncarpous, superior ovary. Economic importance, food, potato, tomato, brinjal, that is eggplant, makoi, simla mirch, gooseberry. Spices, chili, fumigatory, tobacco, medicines, belladonna, ashwagandha. Ornamentals, petunia, night jasmine, that is रात की रानी, day jasmine, that is दिन का राजा. Family Liliaceae. Monocot, vegetative characters, habit, perennial herbs with underground bulbs, culms, rhizomes. Root, adventitious, fibrous root. Stem, aerial or underground, herbaceous or woody. Leaves, mostly basal, linear, alternate, exstipulate, parallel venation. Family Liliaceae. Floral characters, inflorescence, solitary, cymose, umbellate cluster, scapigerous umbel. Flower, bisexual, actinomorphic, bracteate, hypogynous, trimerous. Perianth, 6 tepals, 3 plus 3. united into tube, valvate estivation. Androecium, 6 stamens, 3 plus 3. Polyandrous, epitepalous or epiphyllous. Gynoecium, tricarpary, syncarpous, superior ovary, trilocular, many ovules, exile placentation. Fruit, capsule, rarely berry. Seed, endospermic. Family Liliaceae. Floral formula, bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, perianth, tepal 3 plus 3, united, androecium 3 plus 3, epitepalous, G3 syncarpous, superior ovary. Economic importance. Food, young shoots and root tubers of asparagus, that is satavar, are cooked. Onion, garlic, etc. Ornamentals, lily, tulip, gloriosa. Medicines, aloe vera, garlic. Other uses, colchicum autumnale yield colchicine, used in doubling of chromosomes, induces polyploidy plants, acts as mitotic poison obtained from corm of this plant. Family Fabaceae, called as pea family or pulse family. Family Solanaceae, called as potato family. Family Liliaceae, called as lily family. Family Brassicaceae or cruciferae, called as mustard family. Family Poaceae or Graminae, grass family. Most advanced, largest family of monocots. Inflorescence, spike of spikelets or panicle of spikelets. Flowers, small, sessile, surrounded by two scales. Lemma, fertile bracts, inferior or outer palea. Palea, superior or inner palea. Lemma bears long, stiff process called on. Family Poaceae, that is Graminae. Flowers zygomorphic, incomplete, hypogynous, primerous. Perianth represented by 2 or 3 lodicules, that is tepals. Polyphylous, membranous, situated in anterolateral position. Androecium, 3 or 6 stamens, polyandrous, versatile anther. Gynoecium, monocarpellary or tricarpellary, syncarpous, superior ovary, unilocular, basal placentation, feathery stigma. Culm stem is present. Family Poaceae, that is Graminae. Fruit is caryopsis or grain or nut or berry. Floral formula, bracteate, zygomorphic, bisexual, P2 or 3 lodicules, A3 or 6, G1 superior ovary or G3 syncarpous superior ovary. Economic importance. Cereals, jai, that is oat, jaw, that is barley, rice, wheat, bajra, jwar, rye, maize. Ornamentals, doob grass. Sugar, sugarcane. Fibers, munj fiber. Timber, bamboo.